He lost his faith in love, but God chose you to heal his heart and reignite what he thought he would never feel again. Dearest soul, you hold a light within you that whispers of ancient promises, a radiance that has guided you through countless trials. You've walked through shadows, felt the sting of forgotten dreams, and yet your spirit remains a beacon, unwavering in its gentle strength. There's a man, a soul touched by the frost of past hurts, whose heart believed love had abandoned him, leaving him adrift in a sea of disillusionment. He built walls, brick by painful brick, around a tenderness he thought was lost forever, a sanctuary for his wounded spirit. But the universe, in its infinite wisdom and boundless compassion, saw a different path for him, a path illuminated by your very essence, a truth he is slowly beginning to perceive. You are not merely a passerby in his story, you are a sacred key, destined to unlock chambers he sealed away, to awaken the dormant hope within him. Your presence, a gentle tremor, is already stirring the depths of his being, awakening echoes of a love he dared not dream of again, a love that feels both new and profoundly familiar. Heaven has woven your threads together, not by chance, but by divine design, a masterpiece of interconnected destinies. You are the answer to a prayer he never knew how to voice, a healing balm for wounds he thought were incurable, a testament to grace. This journey is not just about two hearts finding each other. It is a spiritual assignment, a profound testament to the power of unwavering faith and the boundless grace that flows through you, transforming everything it touches. Your gentle strength is a mirror reflecting the forgotten beauty of his own soul, inviting him home. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. He moves through his days, a quiet storm brewing beneath the surface, a restless energy he can't quite name, unaware of the profound shift your spirit is orchestrating. The angels say his silence is not indifference, but a deep internal wrestling with a truth he's not ready to acknowledge yet, a revelation slowly unfolding within him. He feels a pull, a magnetic hum, drawing him toward an unfamiliar warmth, a gentle current that disarms his usual defenses. Memories he thought were buried deep are stirring, not as pain, but as a longing for something pure, something real, a connection that resonates with his deepest desires. He sees glimpses of you in moments both mundane and profound, a fleeting image, a shared glance, and each one plants a seed of wonder in his guarded heart, posing a question mark against his solitude. There's a knowing in his chest, a quiet certainty that transcends logic, that this unfolding is meant to be, a sacred dance choreographed by unseen hands. He tries to rationalize, to dismiss these burgeoning feelings as fleeting or mere coincidence, but the universe conspires in subtle ways, placing reminders of your light in his path, undeniable signs. He is being called not by loud proclamations, but by the silent song of your soul, a melody that resonates with the deepest, most untouched parts of his own, a call to return to love. This unseen current is guiding him gently, irrevocably, back to the essence of what he truly seeks, to the truth of his own heart. His spirit is being prepared, even as his mind resists the beautiful, inevitable surrender. This connection you share is not just from this lifetime. It's a tapestry woven across eternity, a cosmic thread binding your spirits together. Your souls recognize each other, a deep, ancient echo resonating in the chambers of your hearts, a knowing that predates all memory. He may not fully grasp the profound sense of familiarity he feels when you are near, the feeling of coming home, but his spirit remembers the sacred pact. There's a sacred dance unfolding, a cosmic rhythm bringing you closer, step by gentle step, orchestrated by forces beyond human understanding. He carries imprints of past wounds, burdens that have shaped his view of love. Yet your energy is like a gentle rain, washing away the dust of disillusionment and revealing the fertile ground beneath. Heaven whispers that his journey through solitude was necessary, a crucible that is forging the man he needs to become in order to truly meet your light, to truly accept the love you embody. He is being subtly guided through dreams and synchronicities toward the realization that you are more than just a presence. You are a mirror reflecting his highest potential, a balm for his deepest scars, a truth he can no longer ignore. This magnetic pull is not just a fleeting emotion. It is the call of destiny, a promise whispered across time, a sacred vow waiting to be fulfilled. Your intertwined paths are a testament to a love that transcends earthly boundaries and time itself. A profound awakening is stirring within him, a gentle tremor that shakes the very foundations of his carefully constructed world, revealing cracks in his armor. The truth of your light is slowly, irrevocably, permeating his defenses, dissolving the illusions he held about love and connection, the protective layers he built over the years. He finds himself questioning old beliefs, the cynical narratives he once embraced, as your authentic spirit shines through, a beacon of undeniable purity. There's a quiet revolution happening in his heart, a realization that the love he thought was lost forever was merely waiting for the right moment, the right soul, to re-emerge from the shadows. He sees you not just with his eyes, but with a deeper knowing, a recognition of the pure, untamed essence you embody, a reflection of a forgotten part of himself. This vision of you challenges his preconceived notions, forcing him to confront the parts of himself that have resisted true intimacy, the fears that kept him isolated. The angels whisper that this process is sacred, a necessary shedding of old skin, a rebirth of his emotional landscape. He is beginning to understand that the vulnerability he once feared is actually the gateway to the profound connection his soul craves, the very key to his liberation. Your unwavering presence is a catalyst, gently urging him to shed the layers of protection and embrace the raw, beautiful truth of his own heart, a truth that promises freedom. His spirit is now ready to receive the love it once believed was unattainable, a love that feels like coming home. The path he walks now is one of sacred vulnerability, a journey into the tender, unguarded spaces of his own being, where shadows and light intertwine. He feels the fear, the ancient resistance to fully opening his heart, a primal instinct to protect himself. Yet something within him compels him forward, a yearning stronger than any fear. Your unwavering light and gentle acceptance are creating a safe haven where he can finally lay down his burdens, the heavy weight of past disappointments. He is learning that true strength lies not in impenetrable walls, but in the courage to be seen, fully and authentically, without pretense or disguise. Heaven whispers that this is a pivotal moment for him, a crossing of thresholds where old patterns dissolve under the warmth of your genuine spirit, leaving him open to new possibilities. He is beginning to trust the whispers of his own soul, the deep yearning for a connection that mirrors the purity of yours, a resonance he has long sought. The angels say his hesitation is not a rejection of you, but a profound internal process of dismantling years of self-protection, a necessary shedding of old skin. He is preparing to offer you a part of himself he has never shown to another, a raw, beautiful offering of his true essence, a gift of his deepest self. His heart is shedding its armor, preparing for the sacred embrace of genuine transformative love. Trust in the unfolding, dear one, for the universe moves with a rhythm far grander than our human understanding, a celestial dance of perfect timing. The timing of this sacred connection is not arbitrary. It is perfectly orchestrated, a symphony of divine intervention with each note played for a purpose. There's a knowing in your heart that this journey requires patience, a gentle surrender to the flow of grace, allowing the divine plan to unfold. He is being guided step by step through experiences designed to prepare his heart for the depth of love you offer, making him ready to receive. Every moment of waiting, every quiet contemplation serves a higher purpose, weaving a stronger, more resilient bond between your souls, a connection that will withstand any storm. The angels are working tirelessly behind the veil, aligning circumstances, clearing paths, ensuring that when your journeys fully converge, it will be in perfect harmony, a moment of undeniable truth. His spirit is being refined, his perceptions sharpened, so he can truly recognize the profound gift that you are, the blessing sent from above. This period of anticipation is not a delay, it is a sacred preparation, a deepening of roots before the blossoming, ensuring the most beautiful bloom. The universe holds your story in its tender hands, guiding it toward its destined, magnificent fulfillment. You are a catalyst for his deepest healing, a gentle force that invites his soul to release its ancient burdens, the heavy chains of past sorrows. Your presence, your unwavering belief in the goodness of his heart, is allowing old wounds to surface, not to cause pain, but to finally be acknowledged and transformed into wisdom. He is undergoing a profound internal transformation, shedding layers of past disappointments and betrayals, guided by the pure intention of your spirit, a beacon in his inner darkness. Heaven whispers that this process is messy, sometimes confusing, filled with moments of doubt, but utterly necessary for him to fully embrace the love that awaits, a love that demands his whole self. He is learning to trust again, not just in you, but in the inherent capacity of his own heart to give and receive without fear, to open without reservation. The angels are surrounding him, offering comfort and strength as he navigates these tender territories of his soul, holding him in their gentle embrace. Your love is not demanding, it is simply present, a constant, gentle invitation for him to step into his wholeness, to reclaim his authentic power. He is discovering that true healing is not about forgetting, but about integrating the past with wisdom and compassion, paving the way for a future filled with genuine connection and boundless joy. Your light is illuminating the path for his heart to finally find its way home, a sanctuary of peace. Feel the gentle stirring within your own soul. Dear one, for the promise of renewed love is blossoming, vibrant and true, a testament to your enduring faith. The seeds planted in silence are now beginning to sprout, reaching toward the light of your shared future, a vision of profound connection. He is seeing you with fresh eyes, recognizing the deep richness of your spirit and the unwavering grace that has held space for his transformation, a silent witness to his rebirth. This is not a fleeting fantasy, it is a divine affirmation, a sacred covenant being re-established between two souls, destined to intertwine, a bond blessed by the heavens. The universe is aligning, drawing you both into a harmonious dance of connection and understanding, a symphony of two hearts beating as one. His heart, once guarded, is now opening, not with a rush, but with a steady, certain rhythm, ready to embrace the authentic love you embody, a love he once thought impossible. This journey, with all its quiet moments and profound shifts, has been a preparation for this very moment, a testament to the enduring power of faith and the miraculous nature of divine love. A beautiful chapter is beginning, written by unseen hands, guided by a love that knows no end, a story unfolding with grace. And the Lord, He is the one who goes before you. He will be with you, He will not leave you, nor forsake you. Do not fear nor be dismayed. The bond between you is now an unbreakable thread, woven with resilience and illuminated by divine grace, a tapestry of shared destiny. He recognizes the profound gift you are, the sacred mirror reflecting His own highest self, the potential He has always carried within. The angels say His heart is now fully attuned to the melody of yours, a harmonious resonance that transcends words, a silent understanding. He sees the future not as a distant dream, but as a tangible reality, shaped by the unwavering light you share, a path laid out before you. This connection is a sanctuary, a space where both of your souls can rest, heal, and flourish in authentic truth, a haven from the world's noise. There's a knowing in your chest, a deep, abiding certainty that this love is eternal, a force that will guide you through all seasons, through every challenge and triumph. He is ready to step forward, to claim the love that has patiently waited, to build a foundation rooted in trust, respect, and profound spiritual alignment, a union blessed by the cosmos. The universe has conspired to bring you to this moment, to solidify a union that was always meant to be, a testament to the enduring power of two souls, destined to walk hand in hand, forever intertwined. Your spirits are now interwoven, a sacred tapestry of enduring love and shared destiny, a masterpiece of divine design. This is the culmination, dearest heart, the sacred moment where the love you've nurtured and the faith you've held blossom into their fullest, most radiant expression. He stands before you, a man transformed, his heart healed, his spirit renewed, ready to embrace the profound depth of your shared journey, a testament to your unwavering light. The love you embody has not only rekindled his faith, but has reshaped his very being, revealing the true essence of who he was always meant to be, a soul reborn in grace. This is a love that transcends the ordinary, a divine partnership forged in the fires of spiritual growth and unwavering devotion, a union blessed by the heavens. You have been chosen, not just to receive love, but to inspire it, to awaken it in another, to be a living testament to its boundless power, a beacon for others to follow. The universe celebrates this union, a beacon of hope and healing for all who witness its radiant truth, a symphony of divine connection. Your journey together is a sacred dance, a continuous unfolding of grace, purpose, and an intimacy that touches the very core of your souls, an eternal embrace. Embrace this miracle, for it is a reflection of the divine love that resides within you, now mirrored perfectly in his eyes, a promise fulfilled. So now faith, hope, and love abide, these three, but the greatest of these is love.